Welcome to the Colorlight course. This video will walk you through how to manage cloud accounts. What is a cloud account? The cloud account, in simple terms, is the user's identity on the cloud computing service platform. It is similar to accounts in our daily lives, including social media accounts and email accounts, but cloud accounts are designed for cloud computing services. With cloud accounts, users can access and enjoy services from cloud service providers such as data storage, computational processing, and software applications. What are the classification and functionalities of cloud accounts? Cloud accounts include a main account and sub-accounts, administrators, operators, producers, invitees, auditors. The main account has absolute control and can manage other sub-accounts, while sub-accounts can only control one or several functionalities in the cloud platform. This is like everyone playing different roles within a company, making it easier for the manager to monitor cloud accounts. How to register a cloud account and sub-account. To get a cloud account of your own, please contact us and provide the account name, password, email address, location, and the number of devices you want. Our administrator will quickly create a cloud account for you and set up cloud storage based on the information you provided. Sign into a cloud account or sub-account on the cloud platform, hbu.colorlightcloud.com/ or ht/ca.cloud.com/. Note that different locations will be assigned to different cloud servers. After registration, we will send you the corresponding website. Enter the account and password you provided to access the operation interface. To switch between accounts, click on the avatar in the upper right corner. Click on Logout and then enter another account and its password. Cloud Account Management. 1. Log into your cloud account and click Impressions in the left column, where you can see the login status, display status, device version, and screen information of each device. 2. Reset password and perform login authentication. Click Account at the bottom of the left column to see your account information and role. Then click Reset Password to reset your password. Optionally, you can enable two-factor authentication using Google Authenticator. Before you begin, download Google Authenticator and sign in by scanning the QR code. 3. Manage users. Click Subsidiary Account in Account, where you can manage other sub-users. Click the action buttons on the right to perform operations. 4. Perform impersonation, blocking, deletion, and space allocation. Click Impersonate to switch to the simulator perspective. Click the avatar in the upper right corner to exit the perspective. After clicking Forbid, the blocked account can no longer perform any operations and only the administrator can unblock the account. Click Delete to remove the account from the cloud platform, and the allocated space will also disappear. Please operate with caution. Click Allocate Space and select an operator and a target user. And then the cloud space will be transferred and allocated from the selected two accounts. Permissions and application scenarios of each role. When creating a sub-account, you can choose the role of the account and the space size. Administrator has full permissions, manages all modules and subordinate users, and creates all roles. Operator has the same permissions as the administrator, except for deleting terminals, creating and deleting roles, and managing users. Playlist editor creates new programs, previews programs, edits programs pending review, and the rejected ones. Invitee views the terminal group and terminal details, uploads materials, and creates folders. Auditor reviews and previews the programs. Monitor previews the program, views the logs and the terminals, and shares the materials. Advertise views the advertising information,